issues as follows. The first being the national policy for the care and protection of children without parental care, which was presented by the Honorable Vice President, Comrade KCD Mohadi, who is also the chairman of the Cabinet Committee on Social Services and Poverty Eradication. The overall goal of the national policy for the care and protection of children without parental care is to facilitate the comprehensive development of all children by ensuring that their needs and rights are adequately met. The policy seeks, among other things, to promote and enhance safe, protective, and stable environments for children without parental care. It caters for the rehabilitation of children in specialized alternative care facilities, including those with disabilities, children in conflict with the law, children removed from the streets, child survivors of drug and substance abuse, and children in formal and informal alternative care. The policy aims at ensuring that all children in alternative care placements in Zimbabwe, regardless of the place, context, and duration, enjoy their rights as enshrined in the Constitution of Zimbabwe. It will ensure that children in alternative care receive basic services in form of education, health, justice, food, clothes, shelter, life skills, and sustainable livelihoods. The national policy for the care and protection of children without parental care outlines minimum standards for alternative care, including the following: that children should have their needs assessed comprehensively with written placement care plans which outline how the needs will be met, that there be identification of the children, and that the children should maintain constructive and safe contact with their families, friends, and other people who play a significant role in their lives, and that children should be able to move in and out of care in an appropriate manner. Children should also get the necessary support to enable them to prepare to leave care and transition into adulthood, while being encouraged to express their views, wishes, and opinions on matters that affect them. A whole-of-government approach will be adopted in the implementation of the policy in order to ensure that the rights of the children are adequately protected. Non-state actors will complement government efforts in the provision of specialized services in line with their registered mandates. Cabinet considered and approved the draft Zimbabwe Intergovernmental Fiscal Transfer Administrative Manual as presented by the Minister of Finance, Economic Development and Investment Promotion, Honorable Professor Muswere. The intergovernmental fiscal transfer from central to lower tiers of government is provided in terms of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, and these transfers are meant to support the devolution of powers and responsibilities, with not less than 5% of national reserves and revenues raised in any financial year being allocated to provinces and local authorities. These transfers are meant to support the devolution of powers and responsibilities with not less than 5% of national revenues raised in any financial year being allocated to provinces and local authorities. The manual provides the necessary regulatory framework in order to ensure equitable fiscal transfers to local tiers of the government and the seamless implementation of the devolution agenda.